I know.
Hey, Mom. You're my best friend ever.
These kids. Stop. You on my neck like that. It hurt. Okay, y'all. So I don't even know what time it is. The clock is not. Oh, it's 11:30. So we are. I think the mosquito got me. The mosquito was like, "Bitch, you thought you was gonna stomp me? No, bitch, I got you." But yeah. So this is a glueless wig that I didn't do nothing to. So I just put this scarf on. And I got this Remedy Organic Berry and that's like anything with protein in it is disgusting. Like, who thought to make protein chalky? It's disgusting. It's disgusting. It's quite disgusting. And it's disgusting. So we're gonna see here. We're gonna see how this tastes. So
Taste it. Oh, it's for your body.
I made a protein shake yesterday. This shit is disgusting today. Like, it's so disgusting. It's not bad. It kind of got a nasty aftertaste, but it ain't bad. I lied. I fucking lied. I just don't. I'm ready to throw up. I just don't understand how people make these products. I'm like, yeah, this is the one. I don't know. I don't know how. They full blown be like, yup. It's got them. I hate people speed around you. Like, it's not that fucking deep.
Not yours. It's mine. Mine.
Like, yup. It's gonna get them. I don't know what be going through their head. Don't take each other food back. Well, De Niro, get your brother a nugget. I don't know how they be like, yeah, this the one. It wasn't even is in here. Elderberry, Camu, that whatever, lion's mane, dragon fruit, prebiotics, and protein. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food. People are forgetting the taste part. The taste part. It's okay, yeah, you can have all the vitamins in the world. What about the taste part? What about the taste part? Why do it have to taste like fucking shit? I never even had Dookie before. But I know if that is how Dookie would taste, that was how. If Dookie tastes a way, it'll be that way. And then another thing is, I feel like protein make my throat itch. Protein, like, it's like it gives you that little scratch right there. Well, yeah, we ready to go drop these clothes off to this one company. It's called Once Upon a Child. And they like, you can sell your clothes to them. First time I sold my clothes to them, made like $70. The second time, I think they only gave me like $28. Like, I was like, what? So I'm honestly just going in here with the expectation of getting whatever. I do have a lot of clothes, but I'm just going in here with the expectation of getting whatever from them. So you gonna say hi? We're back at the doctor's. Of course I'm going to the damn party now. But I'm only going because the sister that always watched in their room asked, was he coming to the party? But yeah, anyway, I'm on my way to pick up a gift, a card, something. And yeah, just like the kids have fun. I mean, you like to get this content anyway. I want y'all to start seeing, not start seeing me like, you know, but just want y'all to start getting some fun in these vlogs. You know? Because I feel like these vlogs be so boring. These vlogs be so boring, man. Like, nothing in them boring. So, I'm on my way to the store to get a gift or something. I'm on a budget, honestly. And the way I'm looking at it, and I ain't going all overboard. I'm gonna look for something for today, the baby shower, and I'm looking for something for today, the baby shower. I don't know why that car stopped like that, but they're stupid. The baby shower, and then Ryan's sister party is on Sunday. I don't know if her party on Sunday or not. I didn't get no invitation yet, so we ain't even gonna shop for that yet, because at the end of the day, we ain't wasting no money. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. You gotta pay it. Look, you driving. Girl, you gotta drive to be first. Oh no, you got, hold on, you gotta slide your thing again. Hold on, back up. Here, come on, let's play. How the hell you strike ball to bowl? Oh. Oh, look, Marine. Okay. Take a picture with him. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He behind you. Trayvon, can you help her down before she falls? What's wrong with you? What's up? You like, it's the first time you smile. Hey, Chucky. You can't. You about to beat him up? Chucky. He want to high five you again. Look, you want to get down?
Don't be scared.
Look, get down. Walk up to him. Oh, oh! You getting excited about Chucky? Chucky, you. Boy, get up! You getting too excited. Chucky done brought him back to life.
What did you just ask me for? And that's what you think. You should have asked me for.
Yeah, we didn't really do much, but like Ryan played around. The little bit of stuff that I did record was a little bit of stuff I did. Like other than that, I was sitting down. The narrow, everybody was kind of passing the narrow around, but I'm so sick of this daggone bug in here. Everybody for the most part was passing the narrow around. He wasn't really feeling it. Y'all, he really liked Chucky. I did not expect him to like Chucky. Oh my gosh, like he kept trying to give Chucky a high five. Chucky only gave him that one damn high five. Like, I was trying to get Chucky attention, but he just had too much going on. So, he just had too much going on. He didn't want to give De Niro another high five. So, yeah.
I didn't like you.
Was that your juice? I'm through. I'm fucking through because that juice is open. Like, and it's probably wasting all down there. Was it gone? No, it wasn't. I just know the juice wasn't gone. Just over it. I will never have a clean car as long as I have these damn kids. The back seat is a dirty damn mess. Now, I ain't gonna say my part ain't dirty, but their part is extremely fucking dirty. I just feel like I always get weird vibes, you feel me, from people. It is what it is, because I feel like it don't matter what people say, they ain't gonna say shit to me. So, oh well. You let them talk, but they ain't gonna say it to you. Oh well. If it ain't directed, then it ain't respected. But yeah, like the one homeboy, like I told him get Ryan off the chair. If y'all watch that part, I told him get Ryan off the chair. Didn't get Ryan off the fucking chair. Did he get Ryan off the chair or not? Oh wow. What the hell was that? Did y'all hear that pop noise when he just flew by like that? Like, did the tire bust or something? He in a rush. Whoever that is in a rush. Anyway, what I was going to say, they in a big ass rush. They not even right anymore. But yeah, he had said something about the girl. I'm talking to him about the girl. Here come niggas want to be relevant so bad. I'm talking about them. What are you talking? I'm like, what are you talking about? He's talking about it's been 2 years and you still talking about the same stuff. Like, what the fuck are you? It's like you go home to your bitch tonight. If you just wanted to end shit, like if you wanted to end shit on a sour note, so like it wouldn't be no reason to text or be nice or to each other tonight. That's all you had to say. I'm not tripping off that. I wasn't really going to text you tonight anyway. I'm ready to go in the house to get ready for work. So, I ain't tripping off that shit. It's just like, what the fuck are you even talking about? The nigga is talking about his baby mother. I'm telling him about his baby mother. Like, I'm not telling him about her, but I'm telling him, like, what? Like, we don't want to, nobody want no shared ass dick. That's what we talking about. And his question was, okay, so what's the difference when it's y'all? That was what it was. I said, females are able to at least do something with no feelings attached and stuff like that sometimes, or like at least do something and let a nigga know, like, oh yeah, we just doing this, whereas the nigga go doing this and selling females a false dream, like, oh, we gonna be together, this and the third, and you telling every 1,000 bitches that. I'm trying not to cuss. Like, when my cuss words don't come out right, it's me not trying to cuss, but I cuss. Sorry. But, like, that's all the conversation was. He came and sat down all up in it, like, that's what I'm saying. Like, it's like, boy, what are you talking about? Mind your business. That's why I kept saying, same shit, just a different day. Because this is when it was the other way around. When it used to be me, him, the homeboy I was talking to, and my sister. He used to always jump in conversations and stuff, and that's why he always got told shut the fuck up. Because you don't know nothing. You always think you know something, and that's why I don't want nobody talking about you. Insecure. Nobody even talking about what you think we talking about. That's the problem. But anyway, y'all, today was a cool day. Like I said, it was a little weird vibes, but ain't nobody saying nothing to me, so I don't even care anymore. I'm ready to go in the house. We ready to get baths, and we ready to get in the bed. That's it. That's all. De Niro is staying home tomorrow because she said, I guess his 48 hours start over again. Had he not gone today, he could have went back tomorrow. You asked him, is he okay? Had he not went today, he could have went tomorrow. But at the same time, my mother's off tomorrow. My father, he isn't off, but the way De Niro just been sleeping for real, it ain't gonna probably be no problem. Ryan is indeed going to daycare. I think she should just go because at least that's just, I know one kid's at daycare and only one kid's gonna be at the house. It's not gonna be too much. Besides, like, if you wake up crying, but what time? We got in the house around 11 something. He slept until my mother was messing with the door, the front door. So that was about 3 something. So he slept for a good, 5 hours is that? Well, 1, 2, 3, 12, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 hours. Like, it seemed like he gonna wake up, go back to sleep, wake up, go back to sleep. So, like, if he wake up at, hypothetically, he probably won't even wake up. Well, he wake up in the middle of the night based on that. But if he don't even wake up when I leave out the house, when we leave out the house in the morning, he'll be fine for a few hours. And so with some milk, I'll just leave him 2 bottles of milk and call it a day. I'm ready to go. I don't even think he got any clean bottles. I mean, he got hella clean bottles, but like, it's like, how did all the nipples disappear? All the nipples disappeared. It's like hella bottles, no nipples. It's just like, where are they at? I should have bought some more bottles, but it is what it is. It is what it is now. See y'all. When am I gonna see y'all again? I might see y'all tomorrow when I'm cleaning out the refrigerator to make the dessert treats for tomorrow. Supposedly people getting their kids this weekend. Yeah, sure, whatever. I'm in the damn McDonald's drive-thru and the lady taking fucking forever. Talk about something. Oh, wait a minute. I need this, that. Like, she got like 4 sandwiches, 4 or 5 sandwiches, 4 hash browns. Okay, can I get a medium caramel fat pay with extra caramel drizzle? Like, lady, you don't know your fucking order? 4 hash browns, 2 sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffins, 1 bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit, and whatever the other fucking one you bought. You don't know your fucking meals? It's 7:12, bro. I mean, the line ain't moving either. I don't even know if y'all can hear her, but she pissing me off. And she on the other side. People with big ass big orders piss me off anyway, because I'm just here for 2 hash browns with a caramel frappe pack. That's all I'm here for. The girl on the thing, I think that's my baby for her first baby mother. It sounds just like her. It sounds like she get into her bag. She get into her money. I couldn't do fast food no more. I applied. I definitely did apply. I applied to be cashier and manager. Now, if they got a manager position up here, I will apply. Because, you know, we got to put this business degree somewhere. But other than that, I can't do it. I can't do it. Especially, like, I just can't do it. Fast food is, like, the worst. Even, like, going home smelling like the shit. Or, like, just the people. I wish they hurry up, though. I know that. Like the other day, had us pulling over for hash browns. How? Why? I think I'm kind of further up the street now. So they do need to hurry up, bro. I need to get my food now. I'm above them like, oh, you got into something. I don't got into 7:15 to leave out nothing. I want to go to McDonald's. Y'all need to come on now. I just give that money. What did I just? Oh, yeah, I'm about to say, what the? I just do with damn money. Yeah, I'm just over stuff. I'm in the middle of being a bigger person. I burnt myself with the hot corn yesterday. That looks so much better. Like melting it and stuff like that looks so much better. Anyway, I'm in the middle of being petty and just not being petty. I'm leaning more to not being petty because it's like, what's the point? You feel me? Let me put this GPS on. Hold on. Hey y'all, so we're back in the house. I'm really tempted to just put Nero to sleep because I'm about to make these treats or whatever. He's just in the way, just doing too much. Into too much. It's just getting irritating. Like back in the kitchen, sliding on the damn shit. It just be dumb shit.
I'm that same old body with the skis. In a bit outfit, got a sharp on the foot of my top and the edge of my teeth. Been a minute since I linked with the bro, said link up soon, let's talk over tea. These days it's all about flexing, talk about born, trying to make this peak. I got a text from the bro in Cali telling me sit tight, gonna make me a beat. In a gang for the stylish babe on a stylish day, trying to make me a treat. Trying to talk about rovers, it's over, I'm trying to bag the screen. 2 cents to me, take this call, got a ski real soon, trying to pattern this cheese. Been OT nights, did far from the den, trying to get big checks and a cash flow speed. A couple boys on the block, all the friends been lapping on locals and socials, that's looking all hot. Tell them you to stay off the guidance and make things, don't worry about crops. I'm just keeping it real, man, you know my girl, trust me, big words to my pops. In the yard at the end of the boss team, man, you know me, I'm taking champagne shots. Don't talk like you know my team, when you're around my team, I send you to the shops. My bro just came uptown with the latest trends and a few up cops. In the vintage whip, just guidance, they sliding in a quick drop top. Hey, baby girl, I got Dino, Tetley, wait, tell me why you never come check me. You tell me down way too spendy, wait, babe, I'm just too flexy. I got eyes on my chest that's fended. Yeah, to a high class room with glass in my hand and I'm still in a tech face. My bro got a key, that's a Bentley. Money come nice, get plenty. Got a foreign little body in the crew with the fence kicked up, you know that's friendly. Took a snap in the E-class room, she tryna ask who's picking up in the Benz. Come off that flex and I'm not tryna flirt, you know, just friendly. These tired man mad with the blues and the way to a crib, she know the price. Her old man left like a weirdo, I'm a hero, man, he ain't nothing like me.
It's 11:15, y'all. I don't even know what time I got started. But baby, I know I'm ready to go take me a bath. I'm gonna go take me a bath, soak my feet, all that. Like, let me just first off say, I only did this for, I think I only did this. I did it for Ryan's birthday. I think I just did it for the little boy birthday. A friend, nephew's birthday. And this right here. I don't know if I did it before. I might have, but I'm not sure. I'm more like hot chocolate bombs, you feel me? Just put it in the thing, make some things, banga. I hate how that look. That looks a mess. But anyway, like they say like the tint spray. No, don't even matter. Let me just show y'all this so I can go get my ass into it. Yeah, this is about as good as it's gonna get. Now, if I was one of them people that's gonna be doing it, like if I just magically wake up, that pot is not dirty. If I just magically wake up one day and have 25 customers, I'm gonna order the blue printer. I'm gonna definitely order that printer thing that print the pictures out for you, the edible pictures. Gluing them motherfuckers on there like it ain't nothing. Oh, son. Be gluing them things on there like it ain't nothing. And don't think it's messy in here. This just hella food that motherfuckers need to just eat, you know? People just not eating. That's the problem. It's not even that it needs to be eaten. It needs to be organized. But who's doing that? Alright. This is what I get. This is what I get for still eating fucking Hot Pockets, bro. I'm just eating a Hot Pocket. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah. I feel something on my tongue. I'm like, what the hell? It's like it got that hair feel. Bro, mind y'all, the hair is black. My hair is black, right? I was just eating chips. I would have felt that shit in my mouth a while ago, you know, if I was eating chips. So I'm like, yo, as I'm pulling the hair out, the Hot Pockets coming out my mouth too. Let me show y'all how much is left. I was literally just getting started. That's only our second bite. I thought maybe it's not. Maybe it's just hair. I'm like, maybe it's just hair like this, and I just pull it out my mouth. Fucking Hot Pocket dragging with that. I'm going to bed. WX. Yuck. We got it up.
That's a pimple.
Girl, leave me alone. I didn't even tell y'all that old girl won't get my mother to text me. Talk about some she wanna go to the pool with me. So now she going to the pool with us. Which is okay, I guess, because I was not ready to struggle with these kids by myself anyway. But at the same time, it's like, girl, I don't really good. I ain't gonna say is that a pimple on my face. Look at my lace. My lace look a mess. But anyway. What I come in here to get?
It's an
I
orange.
don't know. Pick that up. Put it in the trash, please.
Yeah.
She's scared to death.
How you know she know your name?
Because we used the app.
Uh-huh. Yeah, and then I'll make double with ketchup, pickle, and cheese on it. Pickle and cheese. Yeah.
We're not going to say, is that a pimple? Y'all use that stuff?
I need to use the stuff I'm using for my face. I just gotta get my dope notes together.
Wrap my phone over here.
Sorry. I do got a pimple right here.
What is
But the only
wrong
reason
with
I have a
the
pimple
mirror?
right there coming is because, thank you. The only reason I have a pimple coming right there because I wore a hat yesterday to work and my forehead was sweating. Did I do something to you? I did? What I did to you, De Niro? Okay.
He fell?
He's probably heavy on him. But that's what he needs.
Huh? We gotta find some scissors.
Yeah, but that's Rico. Y'all was in Disneyland together.
What is funny?
Why are you laughing?
It's the beat me.